What up YouTube, this is A-Rod 8 Millie. Today on the haircut we got Manny the Barber, and behind the camera and on the beat
Meister.
Thank you to all my subscribers that join me on every video. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification button so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Down below in the description, I'm gonna put all the information on how to book an appointment and how to follow us if you would like to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. So make sure you go down below, get all the information you need, and I'll see you at the Elegant Studio in Los Angeles or in Chicago, Illinois. This is A-Rod 8 Millie. Ha.
Meister.
A link down below for all the Barber merch used here on this video. You can get all the Elegance product at www.elegancegel.com or www.cosmoprofbeauty.com. Also, you can visit any Cosmoprof Beauty across the nation. All the links are down below. I'm looking so fresh. Thank you, Manny. Cheddar, thank you for the beat, man. Thank you all the subscribers for being here one more time. This is A-Rod A Millie. If you're new, subscribe. Notification. You already know the deal.